Hi there, my name is Desi White, and this is a technical writing class, and this is the week one video, reflection video. I'll be answering the questions who am I and what motivates me. Um, as I said, my name is Desi White, and I live in Florida. I just recently moved here and I love it. I have a little girl, she's 4 years old, and I am a stylist. I've been doing hair for 8 years, and before that, I was a reporter in Bulgaria. Um, I'm from Bulgaria. I've only been in the country for 7, 8 years, um, and I loved it. Um, I was young and adventurous, and I came and I stayed. So this is about me, and what motivates me. What motivates me is my family. It's my husband and my daughter. What motivates me particularly in the program is the fact that I decided to pursue my dream and go back to the television industry, which where I was before, and I just never had the courage to do that because of my English. But here recently, I kind of put myself together and decided to go through the education, and um, it took me a while to believe in myself, but then finally I feel on the right path. So this is what motivates me. My desire and my dream is what motivates me. Um, if I'm having a bad day, what makes me feel better? That's of course always just hanging out with the family, having a nice quiet dinner, having a glass of wine. This is what can make the whole difference when I see my daughter smile. Um, what gives me the drive to get my degree? Um, what gives me the drive is God. Um, I always put Him first in my life, and I believe that He will make my dreams come true. He gives me the drive and the energy to be working full time and be enrolled in school and be a good mother. So, this is it. Thank you so much. Have a great evening.